Hello lovelies, today we're talking about sunscreen, which is actually one of the most important steps in skincare, but also the most neglected for some reason. So let's get started on the benefits of sunscreen so that you can make a better informed decision and use sunscreen more regularly. So starting off, it obviously helps to protect from the harmful UV rays emitted by the sun, but this also means it helps to prevent dark spots, discoloration, pigmentation, and most importantly, it helps to prevent skin cancer while also being a good protection from photosensitivity. So now that we're done with the benefits, we're going to talk about the different types of sunscreen which can help you make a better decision in which one to pick. So there's actually two types. One is physical or mineral sunscreen, which are both the same, and the second type is chemical sunscreens. So the basic difference is that physical or mineral sunscreens sit on the top layer of your skin and sort of create a shield that reflects the harmful UV rays, while chemical sunscreen actually gets fully absorbed into your skin and then does the same job of reflecting the harmful sun rays. Actually, with mineral sunscreen, there's also mini subtypes, which is tinted and non-tinted. The tinted sunscreen is easier to apply so that it doesn't leave a white cast, but it also helps to protect you from the blue light or any such external factors that we are exposed to so much these days. So hopefully these differences allow you to make a better decision on which type of sunscreen you'd like to pick. Another few tips that are extremely important to follow while using sunscreen is how much sunscreen to use. So the very basic rule is, I'll show you, is the 2-finger rule if you're putting it on your face, which means I'm lightly applying it here. It's not perfect 2 lines, but that's the 2 lines, and you should always include your neck, but while you're including your neck, it's a 3-finger rule. Okay, and another few tips that you can use is that you should never forget the back of your hands, your arms, obviously your neck and your décolletage area, which is your lower neck. Don't forget the back of your ears or directly even your ears. These are generally the most neglected parts. And sometimes, depending on whether it's tinted or non-tinted, you can even apply a little bit to your lips or your eyelids, because all of those parts of your skin also require equal amounts of protection. So hopefully all of these tips and tricks allow you to make a better informed decision while knowing the benefits, knowing what type of sunscreen you want to pick and how much to use. It's also important to use sunscreen on your body, and nowadays they've made it so much easier with sunscreen spray bottles. This one goes on clear. They have mineral and physical sunscreen sprays. They also have sunscreen milk sprays, which are a bit more moisturizing if that's what you prefer. And if you have any additional particular skin concerns, it's always best to consult a dermatologist before picking the type of sunscreen. So don't forget to apply sunscreen even indoors, and use a minimum SPF 30 sunscreen, and hopefully all of these benefits and information will keep you better informed about using sunscreen regularly. That's all we have for today. Stay tuned for more videos.